Hi, and welcome to your Flip Learning video for February half term. This particular video is going to focus on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which is a theory of motivation developed by Abraham Maslow in 1954. I'd like you to just think for a moment, what motivates you? What motivates you to get out of bed on a morning and come to college? Is it the simple fact that you are motivated in the short term to achieve as well as you can in your A-levels and then hopefully secure a place at university? Maybe it's to complete the year and then find an apprenticeship. Or maybe you're just looking to find a job when you finish here. If you now think long-term what motivates you, right? So once you have finished your studies and you are within the workplace, what might motivate you once you start working full-time? Well, one of these answers will probably be the monetary value of it, how much you get paid. A lot of people, this is the key motivational tool. However, some of you will have different methods of motivation for yourselves. Some of these might be to achieve, simply fulfill your goals or your potential. Some of you will obviously just want to make sure that you have a job and you can satisfy the basic needs so you can afford to eat, drink, pay all your bills, etc. But also there'll be a sense of motivation in terms of finding friends within the workplace and feeling like you belong. These are all the different areas that Abraham Maslow considers and feels that a business needs to offer its employees in a particular order, which I'll go on and show you shortly. This is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and it's presented in the form of a pyramid. According to Maslow, the basic needs are at the bottom. So the basic needs in terms of motivation, so the basic ones start from the bottom, and once these have been satisfied, they will start and be motivated by the next tier up. The key point regarding Maslow's hierarchy of needs was, can a business offer the next level of motivation once the lower one has been achieved? So once a job can offer the basic needs, so people can pay for food, water, pay the bills, etc., and then they're satisfied, can they then offer the next level, which is the job security and the safe working environment, in order to motivate them further? So the key point, according to Abraham Maslow, is that basic needs must be satisfied before you can be motivated by the next level up. Okay, so it starts with the basic needs at the bottom. So what can we offer employees? So wage, opportunities to pay the bill, etc. Then it's all about job security, so maybe offering them a contract, making sure that they're working in a safe working environment. Once that's been satisfied, then employees can start to meet the needs of feeling like they belong and they're building relationships at work and they feel part of the group. Once that's been satisfied, we can look for esteem needs, so praising employees for the work that they've done, making them feel good about themselves regarding the work they have done, offering them praise. And then the final level, which Maslow believed must exist in the workplace once all the other needs have been satisfied, is this concept of self-actualization. So this is all about achieving your full potential, reaching those goals, achieving what you set out to do. And this is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and this is what can be used in the workplace to motivate individuals. Obviously, different individuals are motivated by different aspects. So not everybody will be satisfied with physiological needs, but not everybody will set out to reach self-actualization. So businesses can offer different methods to suit employees' motivational needs. I'm going to just take a look at these individual motivators in a little bit more detail. Physiological needs. What are these all about? Well, this is your basic needs. Can you fulfill your basic needs? So can you earn enough money to afford food, shelter, paying your bills such as your rent, your mortgage, clothes. So your basic necessities. How might an employee do this? How might you meet the needs? What might they offer you? Well, think about, it's more than likely just going to be employees that are motivated by pay. Probably a suitable pay method for people who are just motivated by the basic needs would probably be to implement the piece rate system, which we've looked at previously. So the more that they produce, the harder that they work, the more that they will be paid. Once these basic needs have been fulfilled, then employees can start to offer the opportunity to meet the next set of needs, which is security needs. Safety needs or security needs within the workplace. How can the employee feel safe at work? Well, health and safety guidelines would be a start. So there should be health and safety guidelines installed within the workplace. Secondly, how does the worker know that their job is safe, secure, so therefore they know they can meet their monthly bills, etc.? Well, contracts. All employees should have a contract, and this will guarantee their job security. Once these needs have been met, then the business can start to look to offer the next level up, which would be social needs on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Social needs is all to do with this concept of belonging. Is there an environment at work which makes people feel that they belong to a team? Are friendships struck up within the workplace? Does the employee offer the opportunity to socialise? Maybe they organise events, days out, etc. A lot of people are motivated by this concept. So once they reach this point, they are ultimately happy and satisfied. Basic needs have been met, they have a secure job, and the concept of belonging and friendship has been met, building relationships. So some won't seek to progress any further up Maslow's hierarchy of needs. However, different people, motivated by different concepts. So therefore, according to Abraham Maslow, the employee should still offer further levels of motivation, such as fulfilling esteem needs. Not everybody in the workplace is motivated solely by pay. Other people, when they set out, they have ambitions. They're looking for promotion. So if you work in an organisation where promotion is an irregular occurrence, then you're probably not going to be motivated to work hard. Other people seek responsibility. So, do the managers within the workplace delegate any of this responsibility to junior employees? People seek praise for when they carry out good work. They want their achievements to be recognised. So recognition. So this goes beyond just the basic needs. Now we're starting to look at esteem needs and looking at aspects like self-respect and achievement. The final level on Maslow's hierarchy of needs is, does the workplace offer the employee the opportunity to fulfill their potential? Certain individuals are motivated by success and to develop new skills and to achieve the best that they possibly can. If the employee can recognise this and they can achieve this, then this is all about self-actualization. It's all about fulfilling one's potential within that company. So it's important for people who are motivated by these aspects, can the organisation offer the opportunity for the employee to meet this particular need of self-actualization? So let's conclude and recap on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So Maslow's hierarchy of needs, set into a pyramid, with the basic needs like food, water, shelter at the bottom, working way up level by level until we reach self-actualization, which is all about achieving one's full potential. According to Abraham Maslow, an employee had to fill one level before the next one could be satisfied. However, if you think about it, does one need to feel like they belong and build relationships within the workplace in order to reach their full potential? A lot of people may argue that work is work, therefore they don't need to build friendships within the workplace in order to fulfill their full potential. This would be a question which would require you to analyse the model. But what I'd like you to think about is this concept of not every employee is motivated by the same thing. So this model was attractive to managers because it recognised that not every single person is the same. So everybody is different and everybody is motivated by different aspects. So it gave managers the opportunity to offer different methods of motivation within the workplace to meet different people's needs. So some employees would offer cash incentives for those that were motivated by the lower levels. This might be a piece rate system, might just be a permanent contract, a well-paid permanent contract. But employees also realise that some people need to feel like they belong and have friendships within the workplace, so therefore they can start to think about offering work-related events, days out, nights out organised for them. Then we have these upper levels on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, so these self-fulfillment needs, where people need to feel like they can progress within the workplace. So promotion, is it going to be available? Some people are motivated by responsibility. So is delegation used within the workplace? Are junior employees offered the opportunity to progress? So it got managers thinking about the different methods that they could use in order to motivate their employees, their staff. One of the items which might determine on what level the employee falls is maybe the skills of the employees. You saw this in your last assessment regarding the workforce and that it was low skilled. So consider the skills of the workforce, which then might have an impact on where you feel that they might want to climb to within Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So, any exam questions referring to motivation and what motivates the worker in the workplace, remember this concept that not everybody is the same and motivated by the same goal. Different people will have different needs, different methods of motivation, so that is why employees should look to adapt and offer different levels of motivation in order to get the best out of their employees. Thanks for listening and good luck in your next assessment.